Let me get you guys on the right angle. You guys and gals out there. And I'll move the light so we can see if this thing lights up or not. Oh yeah. Nice controlled warm-up glow on a CBS tube. Oh man, this thing is crunchy. Oh, let me take this thing apart. I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to replace this. See what I got. All right, so the signal side is right here. The common side is going to be right here. So it's really hard to read that because the wax is dirty, so we'll give it a little melty poo. And it's a 0.05. All right. Now I want some pretty quick set stuff on there to hold those in place. Because I don't want it to move around because it can short out. So I'm going to use some of this stuff. UV. Alrighty. Let's just see how these tubes go. Like so. .35 W4, gonna go over in this corner. We don't have anything. Oh yeah, we do. The tubes are tubing. Did our front light come on? It did. You can see right here. There's the light, our pilot light.